Google unveiled its newest flagship phone a couple of days ago, and now it has entered my hands. What's up, everybody? This is Matt from Matt Tech Studios, and this is my unboxing of the Pixel 4. Let's get started. So guys, I got the Pixel 4 in the all black and the 64GB model. We don't need to do the pull tabs. Boop. Alright, cool. First thing we are presented with is the Pixel 4. Take that out. Like I said, I got the all black before I realized it was all glossy and not matte. There you go. I got the Google logo. You got the SIM ejector. You got the user guide and the warranty manual and all that good stuff. Put that to the side. You also got the USB Type-C to USB Type-C. You have, I don't know if this comes out. In here as well, you have the USB Type-C adapter to USB-A. And then you have the fast 18 watt. The 18 watt fast charger. Alright, I'll put everything back and actually dive into the phone itself. So here we go. Okay. It is gloss. It reminds me of the iPhone 7 actually. Imagine it's clear. So it reminds me of the iPhone 7. And it has the little white power button right here. The sides are like aluminum matte, soft touch, but the back is glossy. Fingerprint magnet right there. So let's boot this thing on for the first time. And this is going to be my first Android in quite a while. All right, so here you go. We got the hide there, right there. So we start. Now it's asking me to connect to a network. I'm gonna use mobile data. Oh, is it setting up with? I don't want a phone number. Just wanted to set up by itself. Well, while it's setting up, differences between this one and the 3 is that you can tell no more notch. That's for one. It's including a radar and Face ID, no fingerprint scanner. That's an additional difference. It's a smaller battery. It's about 2,000 and some change on the battery size. Got dual back cameras, one standard and then a telephoto with the flash, and then it has a laser autofocus. On the front is one camera that shoots 1080 video. The back does shoot 4K, but only at, don't quote me, but 30 frames per second. That's it. So that's fine. Like I said, it's my first Android in quite a while. So I will be switching from the iPhone 11 and going over there to the Android. All right, so we're just gonna skip the network setup. I'm just gonna location, auto scanning, device maintenance gonna be on, install apps. We're just gonna accept all of that, accept the terms. And then we gotta create a screen lock. So that's been set up. Now to do the face setup, and I'm actually going to record this since this is the first time having it on the Google device. All right, guys. So just like it's shown, basically it's going to be the same method, just like on the iPhone. So I'm going to show you real quick. All right, guys, so let me see that. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, there you go. All right, so see right here, holding my head still, rotate down here. Okay, rotate here, rotate here, rotate there. Cool. All right, guys, so this is just a quick unboxing. If y'all liked it, just give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you're getting one and what color you're getting. As well, stay tuned for the review, and I will be using this as my main priority phone.